Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the earbuds and the phone. This reduces variables. First, charge both earbuds and the case above 20% so firmware operations won't abort. Once done, place earbuds in the case and keep the lid open for access. Next, enable Bluetooth and open the Nothing Ears app. Make sure the device shows as nearby. If the buds don't appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on once. That clears transient scans and primes the phone for pairing. You now reset and update firmware to fix software glitches. Remove both earbuds and press their touch areas for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces a hard reset and clears corrupted settings. After that, reinsert them and follow the Nothing Ears pairing flow. Accept any firmware updates immediately because updates patch known audio and connectivity bugs. If the update stalls, make sure the phone is within 1 m, the case lid stays open, and retry. Proximity stabilizes the transfer and prevents timeouts. You'll finish by verifying sound and charging. Play a stereo test track to confirm left/right balance, and then tweak EQ or active noise cancellation in the app for clarity. These settings often resolve perceived dropouts. If one earbud won't charge, remove debris from the contact using a 70% isopropyl swab and reseat it firmly. If problems continue after another factory reset and update, gather serial and firmware info and contact Nothing support. They may replace or service the unit under warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.